how to make money on Freelancer as a copywriter. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit this platform in order to hire the best freelancers for any job online. And in this platform, you're going to find the world's largest freelancer marketplace. Any job you can possibly think of, save up to 90% and get quotes for free. Pay only when you're 100% happy. So guys, if you are a freelancer and you want to start making money or earning money in this platform, just click on the earn money button in here, earn money freelancing. Then you fill the usual information, your first name, then your last name, then you proceed to enter your email, and then you enter your password. Make sure it's a strong password. Then you agree to the freelancer user agreement and privacy policy. Then you click on join freelancer. And this email address is already in use, so I'm going to change it, join freelancer. So here I'm going to enter my username. I'm going to go with this one, then next, and here make sure to choose I want to work, not I want to hire. I want to work, and then you will wait while they direct you. So here you're going to tell them your top skills. This helps us recommend jobs for you. So let's go with copywriting. And this is the one, copywriting. And here you can select your category. Let's go with writing and content. And here you can choose the one your skill. Then you click on next. You can add a lot of skills if you have a lot of skills, if you have more than one, and if you have just that one, you can add just that. Then you click on next, and here you can link your account if you want to save time filling out your profile and build trust by linking your accounts. You can link your Facebook to import your photo, name, and email address, or you can do the same with your LinkedIn, or you can just skip that and proceed to fill your account's details manually. So here you start with dropping a profile picture by clicking on this button. Then you'll be able to take your own picture with your camera, or you can just, as you can see, we need this in order to take a clear picture of your face, which will be used to verify your identity. So you cannot just upload any picture you'd like. It must be your own face. And then you proceed with your first name and last name. Then you click on next. And here you will need to tell them a bit about yourself. Fill out your profile for clients to be better understand your services. So what do? Write a one-line description about yourself. For example, data scientist, or you can just go with copywriter. Then you proceed to your description. So here in this description, you describe your top skills, strengths, and experiences. Provide more details on the services you offer, things you're interested in working on, and what you like to do. So this description is very important, guys, because the clients or the possible clients will read this description before hiring you for the job. So make sure to make a good description that attracts clients. But if you want to take some examples, you will just need to go to Freelancer again, freelancer.com, and then we're going to see some of the other people's descriptions. So here, for example, let's go back to Freelancer. Let's go back here and let's check. First we will need, let's open it in an incognito window, but not just like that. You will need to search for the copywriters to check their descriptions. Let's click on view all to see the descriptions of the other copywriters, to take examples of how our description should be, how we can make a great description. As you can see, this is the one line that they told us about: writer, storyteller, and content strategist. It's the one that you write in here. And let's check his profile. This is his description. I spent time working at a job that had nothing to do with writing once. Worst 30 days of my life. I'm the guy people ask to write a blog for a church bulletin or a rhyme game for a kid's party. My specialty isn't a certain type of writing, rather it's doing the writing no one else wants to do. Along the way, I've been a real estate writer, a blogger, a web copywriter, and a hotel concierge. I've written blog posts, case studies, all the things that he wrote. Don't you have stuff like that you need written? Email, responses, headlines, blog posts. See, kids used to ask me to write their papers for them. Did I do it? What happens on campus? On campus stays on campus. Tell me what you don't want to write, but you need, but no you need. Then let me write it for you. Let's talk words. So here you can take example or inspiration from this man's description, and you can see also how much he's earned or how much earning score out of 10 for doing jobs in this skill or category in cases that jobs are successfully completed. So you can see this description of him, and you can get inspiration from his description in order to make your own description. You can check other people's descriptions. For example, this one, we can check his one line and then his description. As you can see, I can market and promote your website product through SEO, social media marketing, pay-per-click, and other activities. I provide complete digital marketing services and can provide good leads for you. So this is another description of a copywriter. Another one. So we can take a lot of inspiration from those people in order to make our own description. And when you're done with your description, you will proceed to the next steps, and by finishing them, you will be able to have your own profile like the one we saw before, and then you'll be able to showcase your skills to the possible clients. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.